4 of these, 6 of these, 8 of these. Hey, what you doing? I'm doing my pills for the week. The doctor says that I have low vitamins and minerals and that I have GERD and depression and anxiety and diabetes, and you made me lose track. So he's telling you to take all those pills? Yeah, I have to take them, otherwise I won't get better. Well, did he talk to you about your diet? No. So taking all those pills makes sense to you? Yeah. Okay, have fun. Hi, welcome to Herbal Bunny's Pharmacy. My name is Tamitha. Today I want to talk to you about vitamin and mineral deficiencies. So let's hop to it. Alright, so I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time and just trying to find some time to actually do it. It has been kind of challenging, so I thought I would do it right now. I'm outside. I wanted to do it in the sunlight so you guys can see me a little bit better, but it's 91 and I'm cooking out here and I'm trying to keep my house cool so everything's all shut up and dark to kind of keep it cooled down in there. So hopefully you can see me okay and you can hear me okay and the road noise won't be too bad and the dogs won't go gallivanting and barking at random things that go by them. Alright, so vitamin mineral deficiencies. A lot of people have them. My mom is one of them. My neighbor's one of them. My mom's neighbor's one. My husband, myself. And I'm like, okay, you know, most of these people are taking a multivitamin, taking a multi-mineral, drinking electrolyte powders, drinking the Gatorade, drinking the Powerade, and yet we're still deficient. What's the dealio here? You know, I do a lot of prayer and meditation, and if you've seen some other videos, I kind of talk a little bit about that, and I also talk about how we can get things from nature. And one of the revelations that God has given to me in the past was, what is nature doing that we are not doing? And that's kind of been my motto. You know, he's kind of given that to me. What's nature doing that you're not doing, Tamitha? So I kind of look at this, you know, during my prayer and stuff, and that kind of came to my mind. I was like, hey God, you know, why are a lot of people vitamin and mineral deficient? Well, what is nature doing that you're not doing? And it is really eye-opening if you start looking at everything that way. And that's something that I really want to just emphasize out there, that a lot of our problems can be resolved by health-wise, by looking what is nature doing that we're not doing. And if you look around, most things are green. The greenness is caused from the plant's chlorophyll, and that's the plant's blood. And it has all the vitamins and minerals that we need. And science has figured this out. They've actually dissected the different things, and like when we consume the green plant, like what does vitamin A do for us? What does vitamin B do for us? And they broke all these down. But there's so many more vitamins and minerals that are actually in these plants that science really hasn't figured out what they serve for the body, or what they just serve, the purpose of them really altogether. And I'm a firm believer that all these things are in these plants for a reason. And we shouldn't be taking isolated chemicals, like an isolated multivitamin, vitamin A. You know, you get too much vitamin A and you can die. But you can eat a lot of carrots. You can eat beta carotene, or get beta carotene from your carrots, and you can eat a whole bunch of carrots, and worst case scenario, you're going to get the runs. Your skin may turn orange because of the pigment, but you're not going to really overdose. You would have to eat a whole ton of carrots to OD on vitamin A. And dehydration is another thing that a lot of people are talking about. It's like, you know, every single time my mom goes into the hospital, they always have to give her IV fluids. And my daughter, she was diagnosed with autoimmune disease, and every time she goes in for her IVIG treatments, they always give her saline solution, a whole bag of it, to hydrate her beforehand, even despite that she drinks a lot of fluid before she goes in, or they still say she's dehydrated. So why is that? Why are we dehydrated? Why are we depleted of vitamins and minerals? Because we're not doing what nature is doing. We're not eating. We get hydrated by eating our green plants, by eating our vegetables. Fruit, most fruits are 90% water, and in that water has vitamins and minerals. And when we consume that plant, we get those vitamins and minerals. So it only makes sense for us to stay hydrated and receive our vitamins and minerals if we just eat more plants. Now, I'm not trying to turn everybody vegetarian. You know, I know everybody's diet requires different things, and our DNA and our blood type and stuff, we require a certain amount of different protein, and I know people are going to eat, you know, like fish, for instance. I do like to eat salmon every now and again, wild caught salmon, because the farm salmon, they give them antibiotics and a lot of other stuff. But even our oceans kind of have a lot of pollution in it too, and our grounds, even some of the organic stuff. So that's why I try to do a lot of gardening videos encouraging people to grow their own stuff organically. So when we look into nature, let's just say Bambi, for instance, he's not going to the hospital to get IV fluids. He's eating the leafy greens. You know, I have water out in my garden, like a big water trough that I use to water my garden. And I have cameras out there because Bambi likes to eat my stuff, and I need to know when I need to go out there and intervene. And not one time has Bambi, as hot as it's been in the high 80s, low 90s, not once has Bambi drank out of the water trough. And Bambi practically lives back there. He's eating the blackberry bushes, he's eating the grass, he's eating the weeds, he's eating my plants in my garden. And because of that, these plants, they have water in them. He's staying hydrated. There's no need for him to drink water. Animals out in the wild, they only really drink water when there's either no food available for them to eat, or they've been running, or, you know, like my dogs, I have water out here for them, but I feed them a really good diet. I don't feed them kibble. I cook for them, and I will have water outside for them. They'll be out here running around as hot as it is. They sometimes will come and just lap up a little bit of water and then just keep on playing. They don't get thirsty. Me, when I'm outside, because I do eat crappy foods, try not to for the most part, I'll say at least 30% of my diet is very crappy. I'm outside, I'm thirsty as heck. I'm chugging down the water, but I'm not feel like I'm getting hydrated. But if I go and make some green juice, and I drink that, I feel it in my cells. Like you just feel different. You actually feel there's a difference that you feel when you're truly hydrated and you're actually getting those vitamins and minerals. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today, that we're depleted in vitamins and minerals. We're eating a lot of crappy stuff that's depleting us, that don't actually have vitamins and minerals in it, and that the plants have all the other vitamins and minerals in it that they need to work, you know. My mom's doctor's like, you need to take this and this, but you need to take it with this here because it's a cofactor of this one here, and this one here won't work unless you take this one here. I'm like, that is just maddening. Like, if you've seen the beginning video of this, that is pretty much what it's like when you go to a doctor. Even some naturopaths, like I've gone to, and they'll say, you know, to take your iron, you know, don't take it with magnesium, you gotta take it with vitamin C, you gotta do this, do that, take this, don't take that with this, it's gonna deplete that, you can't take it with calcium. It's like, this is absolute maddening. So just stop and take a look. What is nature doing that you're not doing? And you get your answers, you know, just do it, okay? All right, long enough video. Like, subscribe, share, and tomorrow I am going to post a video on autoimmune and how we can actually get our bodies back into, what do they call that? Not rehab. Why am I saying rehab? what's the word? Remission. The heat is getting to me. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in my autoimmune video.